biomedical image processing course. Today we will see the course plan and followed by a detailed modules. We have designed total 10 topics as a module, each of which weightage for 4 hours. Hence, total course will be of 40 hours. In lecture plan, we will start with first module, which will cover the way of delivery of the topics, followed by basics of diabetics, effect of the diabetics on various parts of the body, PowerPoint presentation. Transcript consists of detailed text information, diagram and description, handouts for the audience to write their running notes, basics of digital image processing required for biomedical images, hands-on training in the Python. Whereas in next successive model, we begins with the basic initial information including insulin, cell, etc. about the diabetics. Then in next module, the diabetic retinopathy images, their databases and how they can be developed to extract the features in digital image processing along with Python programming. Next module will be covered on the glaucoma along with diabetic image processing, implementation of both the modalities in Python, followed by classification and prediction of the diseases, and at the end the module will highlight graphical user interface in the Python so that each of the audience can able to write their own application in other area. Now let us start with the module number 1, which has the topics to be covered are the start from the basic initiation of the diabetics, their various types, causes, symptoms, effect of diabetics on various parts, the treatment, and end will be with effect of diabetics on the retina. Let us start with insulin, its meaning and the working. It is a peptide hormone produced by beta cell present in the pancreas. It is considered to the main anabolic hormone of the body. It regulates the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats and protein by promoting the absorption of carbohydrates, especially glucose, from blood into liver, fat and muscle cell is the main important working of insulin for our body. Then we have next major component called cell, which is one type of membrane also known as plasma membrane, cytoplasmic membrane and historically referred as plasmema. It is biological membrane that separates the interior of the cell from outer environment. It is one type of protection of inner body from the outer side. It is called extracellular space. It consists of lipid bilayer with embedded proteins. Then let us see what happened when the glucose utilized as a fuel in our body. Normally, assume insulin is one type of key, whereas cell is the lock. We will use key to open the lock. Means use a insulin to open the cell and the cell will absorb the energy. Whereas if suppose no key to unlock the door of a cell or key unable to unlock the cell properly, it means key is there but lock not working properly. So these are the two main cause to happen the glucose. In first case, there is key but unable to open the lock. In another case, key not open to the lock and hence the abnormality begins. Now focused on the food diet which we take as an intake. It has the proper way or a balance. But if it is not balanced diet, then it leads to overweight, obesity. These both the causes will happen with adult as well as children's. If it is balanced diet, for example, if it is balanced, then it will be healthy diet for us. It helps to maintain or improve overall health of a body. Healthy diet provides body with essential nutrition, fluid, macronutrition, micronutrition and adequate calories required to work for the body. If everything is normal, glucose level is also normal, ultimately health will be good, which is of physical as well as mental. If both of them are normal, the social well-being will be normal. But if health process of food utilized for the fuel or energy, now here see the conversion process of it, where healthy process include intake the food, convert that food into glucose, add that into blood as a sugar level will increase, then to reduce it, pancreas begins to release the insulin. Now blood carries insulin along with sugar, it will be absorbed by the cell. Here, as we have assumed from the beginning, cell will work as lock and insulin is work as a key. To open the cell absorb glucose from the blood is the working shown in this particular slide. If abnormal health is there, then it may leads to diabetics called as hyperglycemia, degenerative vascular changes happen, alter EGM metabolism, formation of age, altered cellular responses, delayed wounding healing, hyperactive response of monocytes as well as periodontal disease progression, etc. We have different types of diabetics like type 1 and type 2 are the major two types observed in all subjects. In type 1, body does not produce insulins. We have certain warnings of this type like increased thirst, urination, constant hunger, weight loss, blurred vision and extreme tiredness. This has happened due to because of various causes like genetic, environmental, autoimmune factor, hence can't prevent. We have treatment for this type 1 are insulin injections, oral medicine, diet, excess exercise, blood glucose monitoring, etc. Whereas in type 2 we have the effect like body does not produce required enough insulin's quantity or does not react to the insulins reproduced by the pancreas. We have certain warnings are fatigue, slow wound healing, pain or numbness in hand or feet. These symptoms can mild or unnoticed. Causes happen are lifestyle, genetic, aging, etc. Therefore, these causes can be prevented. Healthy lifestyle like eating sensible and exercise can able to prevent type 2 diabetics. We have treatment if patients suffering with diabetics are insulin injection, oral medicine, diet, exercise or continuous monitoring of the glucose. Then here it has highlighted the survey happened worldwide. As per this survey, in type 1 insulin dependent it is called as, we have 78,000 children developing this type of diabetics every year globally. Whereas in type 2 it is a good thing that 80% cause can be preventable by following a good diet and physical activities. Almost half of the subjects are not aware that they have type 2 diabetics. Surprising fact is 85 to 95% subjects are high income countries. Now here it has certain basic information about the types of diabetics. Diabetics types are based on no ability to produce insulin, or it may does not produce or use the insulin which has been released. Now based on those certain types, like 20 to 30% are from hereditary in type 1, or it is due to ketoacidosis. In type 2, 90% are from hereditary carrying by their parents. Next type is secondary diabetics, which is due to because of genetic defects in beta cell of the pancreas or insulin, exorin pancreas, drugs taken by that subjects, chemical induced into a body of subject, or infection happened in pancreatitis or other like steroids. Next type called gestational, which is due to because of overweight, and it leads to risk for type 2 diabetics. Why glucose increased in the blood is highlighted in this particular slide. If subject is healthy, then normal process happen is we take a food which goes into stomach, then it release the glucose, pancreas start to release insulin which will add it into a blood cell and it is utilized by the muscle. Whereas if subjects suffering with type 1, then whatever food we have been taken converted further into glucose, but pancreas doesn't produce insulin. Hence, muscle do not get energy for the process of performing the action. In type 2, in the whole process, insulin's resistance is start. Body do not able to react with the insulins, cannot able to recognize the insulin, and hence ultimately muscles or a cell do not able to get the energy required to take the action. Whereas we have other causes which is due to because of the cell production process destroyed. It caused to a normal process is where the insulin producing cell release the insulin and which will carry by the capillaries of blood and absorbed by the cell further to get the energy. But if subject is diabetic, the insulin production itself destroyed. That's why there is no insulin, ultimately no energy. In this slide, it has highlighted various steps due to that types 1 can be suffered by that patient. It has like step number 1, stomach convert food into glucose. Glucose entered into bloodstream. Pancreas make little or no insulin. Little or no insulin entered into bloodstream. It carries towards the muscle cell. Glucose built up in the bloodstream and glucose level increases. Whereas in this slide it has highlighted same process happened for type 2. Like it is start with intake, goes into stomach, it release a glucose, pancreas produce insulin, but it is not effective. Glucose unable to enter body effectively, and hence ultimately the glucose level get increased. We have other types also, like here highlighted 4 different types: central, nephrogenic, diazonic and gestinal. In this slide, it has compared with normal process. Like in normal process, beta cell regeneration happened. Due to that, normal insulins going on secretion. Normal blood glucose will maintain. But if subject is diabetes, then beta cell deficiency happened. Low insulin secretion is there and ultimately blood glucose level increases. Here in this slide, it is going to give the differences with normal along with these two basic types. In normal case, the flow is food, stomach, glucose, bloodstream, pancreas, insulin and muscle cell. Whereas in type 1 and type 2, we have the process like muscle cell unable to use the glucose due to there is no insulin. Whereas in type 2, due to muscle unable to use the glucose when insulin's resistance begins. Now we have fourth major type, which is due to because of pregnancy and called gestational diabetics. In this diabetics type, high glucose level is there in the mother. It brings extra glucose to the baby, causes baby to put extra weight. Mother blood brings extra glucose into fetus. Ultimate effect of this insulin will handle extra glucose. This extra glucose will increase the weight of fetus and hence heavy weight baby will born. We have still other types too, like 5th, 6th and 7th type. In this type, the diabetics is called LADA, that is latent autoimmune diabetics, happen to adults. From this diabetics, the type 1 that occurs in adulthood age, often with slower course of onset than type 1. Adults with LADA type may initially be diagnosed incorrectly and having the type 2 diabetics based on age group. Particularly if they have risk factor of type 2 such as strong family background history or obesity. In this, next type is MODY, which is maturity onset diabetics, and it is for the young subjects. Refer to any severe heredity from diabetics mellitus caused by the mutation in the auto-dominating gene disrupting insulin production process. This is referred to as monogenic diabetics, especially type 1 and type 2, which involve more complex combination of the causes like multiple gene and environmental factors. Whereas the MODY itself are of two types, MODY 2 and MODY 3. The most common forms are LADA, which is for the adults, a form of type 1 diabetics with slower progression to insulin dependence than the child onset type 1 diabetics and which occur later in the life. Let us summarize. In this topic we have covered various types of diabetics like type 1, type 2, type 3 up to type 5, 6, 7 etc. And in next topic our objective is to cover various causes to happen the types of diabetics to the subjects. Thank you.